Coach Tony, over 50 Men's Fitness. I want to welcome you to my new playlist, Nutritious and Delicious Meal Prep for Men over 50. Each week, I'll upload a brand new video with simple, clean meals that are easy to prep, budget-friendly, and optimized for your age and goals. This playlist is how I'm going to show men over 50 how to fuel their body for fat loss, increasing strength, and balancing their hormonal health. Now, these are the same nutrition strategies I use in my ReGENESIS coaching program to help men drop fat, rebuild strength, and feel absolutely unstoppable. Now, like, share, and hit that subscribe button, and I want you to check back every week because remember, your next step to better health starts in the kitchen.